Stay tuned as I demonstrate how to make pinto bean salad Jamaican style. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Alright, family and friends, thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for making my channel one of your viewing choice. So family and friends, I am cooking my peas. I don't want to cook them very soft. I want them to be nice and crunchy. So I allow them to come to a boil. Then I sink the peas and then I allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I pour away the sauce from the peas. I use the same water to cook my quinoa and brown rice mix. I add some season to this, family and friends. You can add whatever season you so desire. Allow it to come to a boil and then cook until reduced. Now this is what it looks like. Now let me thank my loyal viewers and subscribers who have been watching me week after week. Thank you so much. Remember to hit the like button. Leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me if you've ever tried
family
this
and friends,
salad
you can
before. Pause the video at any time to see the list of items that I have on my plate. I have my chopped vegetables. I have some cucumbers, some bell peppers. I have some tomatoes. I have some cauliflower, family and friends. I've chopped them nicely and then I am going to combine it in a bowl. Now, family and friends, this promises to be good. I invite you to hit the like button and share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Now, family and friends, I'm going to hit that with some white pepper, some chili oil. I'm going to add some ranch buttermilk sauce to this, combine it with some garlic salt, and then add some fresh green onions to it. Family and friends, a spiritual nugget comes to you from James 1. It tells us that we are to count it as joy when we are going through temptation, because it's through those temptations we learn to strengthen our faith and develop perseverance and patience. Next, family and friends, I add to that 2 diced boiled eggs, some sesame seeds, and some freshly squeezed lime. Toss this gently and then serve. It's once again another of my favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time with me in the kitchen, and I'll see you next week.